Hi everyone, welcome to A-Team Staffing's how-to video, how to enter hours in your timesheet on ADP. So let's begin. In our last video, we went through how to register to ADP and how to log in. So make sure you have your password and user ID available. The website we'll be going to is workforcenow.adp.com/workforcenow/login.html. From here, you would enter in your user ID and password. If it is your personal computer, I would highly recommend you save your password and user ID for easy access and bookmark the website. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time. On this main web page, go up to the toolbar at the top and go to Myself, Time and Attendance, My Time Card. This is the page where you'll be entering in your hours. Make sure that you're on current pay period when you start entering hours. Go down to Preferences at the bottom right and choose Rows per Day. Choose 2. Let's start adding in our hours. So we clocked in on Monday at 8 a.m. and clocked out at 12:30 for lunch. If you're working over 6 hours in one shift, you must take a lunch break before the 5th hour of working. If you're working 6 hours or less in one day, you are not required to take a lunch. Let's clock back in. We came back at 1:30 and we clocked out for the rest of the day at 5. You will see the daily totals off to the right and make sure it equals the hours you've worked. For this example, it would be 8. Once you're done, select Save. It's Friday. We just came back from lunch and we need to send our timesheets to accounting before 3 p.m. Make sure you add in the time you expect to clock out on Friday. For this example, we expect to clock out at 5. Now it's time to print. Go to the 3 bars next to the time card on the left and select Print Time Card. If the print time card is grayed out, don't worry. Click Refresh at the bottom and try again. From here, there will be 3 boxes: Exceptions, Notes, and Signature Lines. Make sure you check the box for signature lines and double check your hours and totals. If everything looks great, click Print. At the bottom, this is where the signature lines auto-populated. Supervisor's signature is on the right and your signature will go on the left. Remember to date it. If your supervisor's signature is illegible, print the name of your supervisor underneath their signature. Once you're done, make sure you fax or scan a PDF copy to payroll before 3 p.m. on Friday. The email to payroll is payroll@ateamstaffing.com and the fax number is 818-668-8398. If you don't have access to a printer, please save as a PDF to your local drive and email your time card to payroll, and be sure to include your total hours worked, including any overtime. This will serve as your signature on the time card. Your account manager will help get your supervisor's signature. There you have it. Now you know how to enter in your hours for your time card. If you have any questions that were not answered in this video, please check the FAQ section of the ADP instructional guide. If your questions can't be answered through the guide, please email them to us at email@ateamstaffing.com or call us at 818-668-8392. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.